We just got started. So let's look at the profile settings. This is the most important step in the entire process of getting inside of the Systems Accelerator Manager and using SAM. Why is that? Because this is where you're starting to share with SAM all about yourself, your company, your business, and your brokerage, right? So while we're filling out information, it should be pretty readily available about your company, your brokerage, and then specifically about your team, or more importantly, about you as a team member. This is going to inform Sam of all those really important things. So a second ago, I talked about our specific niche of real estate. For me, I live in the first-time home buyer, luxury homes, and farm homes niche of real estate. So I've added these to my profile settings under my specific profile. And what this is going to do is it's going to allow Sam to use this understanding of the areas of real estate I focus on to help create content specifically tailored for that.